Welcome back to another video. Today we have the air wedge and leveling tool up to 300 pound capacity. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah guys, this is something I saw on TV like a long time ago. You can get this at Harbor Freight. What it says here, it's an air wedge and leveling tool. So basically, if you got a door here, as they do have an example, you can just inflate it and pretty much level it, and then select another set of hands. Or it says lifts, aligns, levels, windows, doors, cabinets, furniture, appliances. And then you got here, it says powerful hand pump, will lift heavy objects with minimal effort. Quick release valve for easy deflation. 7.5 inch hose length, expands up to 3 inches. 1.5 under max load. Gentle, not marrying material. And you got air wedge and leveling tool, a slim 0.07 profile, fits into any places pry bars won't. You got can be used with any multiple bags. Increase lifting capacity. Easily lifts up to 300 pounds. As you guys see, somebody's putting here on the fridge, and then they can lift it and maybe put their hand under there and just grab something that went under the fridge or something. Basically, it's like an airbag. I seen other stores carrying these, but Harbor Freight had it on sale this week for $9, under $10. Pretty much is like it works like an old, blood pressure monitor. So that pretty much you inflate it like so. You guys see it inflating. It's a pretty, I say it's pretty tough material here. So this is the valve. It doesn't feel like it's like super high quality, but it feels like this part's gonna last for a long time. This part you can easily rip it with something, so just keep that in mind. It does have a valve here, so all you do is just turn it. You can hear it just deflating. Sometimes when people lose their keys, or not lose their keys, but leave their keys inside their vehicle, and if you got an older vehicle and you don't want to pay for somebody to come and unlock it, you can just pretty much put this in the door, slide it in the door, and then just inflate it and separate it a little bit, and then you can just take like a wire or something and then just unlock the door. This is a great tool so you won't damage the paint of the vehicle. Alright, this is my pack out, my Milwaukee pack out. It's full with tools. This is pretty heavy. I would say this is about 100 pounds, I would say, maybe 150 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Like I said, it's full with power tools. We're pretty much gonna put this down here. Oh my god, this is heavy. And pry it from the top. So we're gonna try this out. You guys see it going up? Yeah, it's kind of hard to inflate it. Yeah, about 2 1/4, I would say. That's how much you're able to lift it. A little bit less than 2 1/4. So I would say this is a really nice little tool you guys could use for leveling like cabinets or doors and stuff like that. All you do to release it is pretty much and that's it. have this for emergencies, or for when if you do a lot of cabinets and you know, a lot of appliance work and stuff like that, you know, kitchen work, and you want to maybe flooring and you want to level out a stove or something like that. This is a great little tool. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.